we now give the formal definition of the derivative of a function f of x as follows. So, as we discussed earlier, yung derivative natin is the limit of the slope of the secant lines. So, f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. This function, which we denote by f prime of x, is defined at all points in the domain of f where the limit exists. So, some remarks. So, yung derivative na yan, yung f prime na yan, mag-exist lang yan kung in the first place nag-exist si f natin. So, yung domain ng f prime is a subset of the domain of f. Again, as motivated, yung definition ng f prime of x naught, it is the slope of the tangent line to the graph at point P. So to get the derivative of f at x equal to x naught, we can either use this formula or pwede rin ito. Other notations that we use for the derivative. So let's say yung function natin, sinusulat natin as y equal to f of x. So on the notation for the derivative is y prime. You can also use dy over dx, d of f of x over dx, and then this notation. And then the process of computing for the derivative is what we call differentiation. So as an exercise, let's find the derivative of f of x equal to square root of x. So ngayon, gagamitin natin yung formal definition. Maya may iba na tayong mga properties na pwedeng gamitin to evaluate the derivative or to get the derivative. So yung f prime of x is given by this limit. So f of x plus delta x, so yan yung square root of x plus delta x, minus f of x, that is square root of x over delta x. So tanggalin natin yung square root sa taas. So yung multiply square root of x plus delta x plus square root of x in the numerator and the denominator. So yung numerator, difference of two squares. So kaya siya magiging ganyan, mawawala yung mga square roots. And then what? Simplifying the numerator, you get so, di ba magka-cancel yun? Meron kasing delta x na matitira sa numerator and then meron delta x sa baba, so you cancel them. So, 1 na lang yung nasa taas over this expression, and as delta x approaches 0, this becomes 1 over 2 square root of x. So, therefore, yung tinatawag nating derivative ng square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x.